You know it's bad when he know what my order is before I even open my mouth. I get to the window, he like, oh, I know what you came for. Hey y'all, so I realized that I never gave y'all the update to my room officially after I doctored it up a bit. Y'all remember when I showed y'all when I got my lamp. I got my lamp, which I love so much because it has the ports, the outlet and the USB port, which I can't use that anymore because I have the iPhone 13, but it has the outlet as well. So that's super functional, with it being right by my bed, and my closest outlet is over here. So that makes it really inconvenient when I'm trying to like charge my phone from the bed. So the lamp is super clutch. But I had only my lamp and that pink chair at the time. So I still have to get my TV mounted. I keep forgetting about it because I don't really care that much, but it would definitely bring the room together a lot more once I get it mounted. So I do want to go ahead and do that. This is me today. Don't mind my clothes over here. I'm about to throw in the washer. Oh, that's me. It's the 4th of July and I'm about to run out and run some errands. But just wanted to give y'all a quick update because I haven't been back in here. So I'll do a few close-ups. I got this from Home Goods and it matches so perfectly with my pink chair that I got from Ashley Furniture. And then I have my little bowl here. It got a bunch of crap in it. The lighter and my remotes, obviously. But if you can see, it has like pink tones and like silvers and golds. And it matches so perfectly with the pictures that I got from Home Goods. I mean, from At Home. And I got that from Home Goods. So I got some nice finds that match really well. And then I got my little matching baskets. Those are cute. And a little jewelry box with the same colors. A little mixed metals wall art there. I got silver in the chair, gold in the stands. So I like the mixed metals look. Of course, some pampas grass. I love pampas grass. Gold tones in the curtains. So that's just I love this blanket. It is so cozy and comfortable. I love it so much. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, I still want to mount my TV. I want to get a 5x7 area rug to go under my bed. And I think that's pretty much it. Those are the last two pieces that I want to add to the room. But that's my update on my bedroom. Cute and cozy, and I love it. Okay, y'all. So, as you see, I went to Aeropaso They had a summer sale, like getting rid of their summer stuff already, and it's the freaking second week of summer, but I'm cool with it because the sales worked for me. Then I signed up for their little text message situation. They gave me an extra 20% off. There was a 10% coupon at the counter that I saw. I'm like, can I use this? So I got me a few good deals today. So this is the first one. I think I paid $10 for these. So I've learned, I think they've changed their sizes up because I didn't used to be a 00 in Aeropostale, but these, my friend, are a 00, if you can see it. But as you see, the original price was $56.95, and I got these for $10. These particular ones have the button fly. Ooh, I missed one, which is a little annoying, especially if you gotta go to the bathroom real bad, but that's all right. I really like these though. I like the length. They're like almost Bermuda shorts. Bermuda shorts usually come down closer to the knee, which I like those too, but I think I love these. What do you guys think? Cute, cute. Okay, so we have item number 2. These are also button fly jeans. And they're kind of like a, let's see what the fit says. 90s baggy, they call it. These are the 90s baggy. So you can see where they come down. Hope y'all can hear me. See where they come down. Kind of like relaxed fit. I like the placement of the hose. Good for the summertime, nice and airy. Because it's hot wearing jeans in the South in July. But I will wear jeans all year. Don't get it twisted. I definitely will. But I like these. Nice and comfortable, which I think. Yay, nay. I think it's a yay. Okay, these are the last ones. These are going to have to go back. I would have liked them if they were long enough. But lo and behold, they aren't. They are not quite long enough. Let's see if y'all can see. Can y'all see that? So my heels are out, which I don't like on flare jeans. It's kind of unacceptable for me, but I love the flare. If they were even 1 inch longer, no, actually 1 inch would be perfect because I don't want them any longer than that because then they would be dragging and that freaks me out because that's real dirty and I don't even be wanting to bring the jeans back in the house with me at the end of the day when they be dragging like that on the ground all day. So 1 inch would have been perfect, but they just missed the mark. Dang. That sucks. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to ponder on these. My last item, just in case y'all are wondering, these are zip fly and they're called high rise super wide leg. And these are a 00 as well. But see, that's the problem. They're 00 regular. I need 00 long or tall. And they don't have those in the stores. I don't know if they have them online. But then I just got a normal black tank top. I don't have enough black tops. So this was on sale for $8. So I just grabbed that too. But that's my haul for today from Aeropostale. Tell me what you think, guys. Hello, darlings. What's up? So I'm on my way to go run out to see fireworks. I love fireworks. It's one of my favorite things of the summer is fireworks. And I missed them last year, so I was terribly hurt. So I've been waiting a whole year so I can see my fireworks, and I am not missing them this year. So as you saw, I ran a couple of errands earlier. I'm about to eat this plum. It's a plum cot, so it's apparently a mixture between an apricot and a plum. It makes me a little nervous because it sounds man-made. I don't fool with all that stuff like that. I'm about to see. I should have looked these joints up first before I brought them. Plum cot. When they come out with that. Woo, y'all. Ooh, this is good. Y'all, these plums were so much money. I was finna be real upset if they was nasty. Like if they was sour or something. You know how plums will be real sour sometimes. This right here, y'all, this a plum. Ooh, that's so good. I feel like doubling back and get another one. I'll see y'all in a minute. Thank you, Jesus. When I tell y'all I am happy, Ooh, child. Oh. You know it's bad when he know what my order is before I even open my mouth. I get to the window, he like, oh, I know what you came for. It's bad. But it's so good. All right, that's that. So it's almost dark. I'm cutting it super close. We don't start till 9:30. I got a little while. I'm only 15 minutes from uptown. But I gotta go get my pizza before I set up shop wherever I'm gonna watch the fireworks. Let's see how this all pans out. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Y'all can't see me, but I'm gonna show y'all how we blocked by the building. We thought we were gonna be able to see it because we thought the fireworks were gonna be like high up in the sky. Let me show y'all what they gave us. We on a rooftop on the 10th floor. Like, it's not super high, but we thought they was gonna be shooting it off higher than this. These two buildings is dragging me. I am getting dragged. We can't see nothing. This is disrespectful. But the city looks beautiful. They got little ones here and there. But these are the official ones over here at the baseball stadium. But they just not shooting them high enough. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all how I did the outro for 2 vlogs in the same session. Because as you see, I got on the same thing that I had on in the last vlog y'all saw at the end of that one. And I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and knock out both at the same time, because who is really mad? Like, let's be efficient and effective. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. You saw me acting crazy, eating like a cow. That was terrible. Y'all sit up there and let me eat like a cow for 4th of July weekend. Y'all see how crazy I was acting, but that's all right. They dogged me on the fireworks, but that's cool too. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you joining me. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. And until next time, that's all, folks.